Right, this is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Royal AM 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm fine. Over 2010.
I'm good. How do you feel about the game today?
It was good, but the goals, it was not enough the way I know Sundowns.
Yeah. You were supposed to score more goals.
Yes.
Taking into consideration that you have scored one, quickly. Quick one, yeah.
And the other thing, it was Shaulile's birthday today. He was supposed to score at least 2 goals.
At least to get the present,
for celebrating his birthday.
Yes. But then, are you happy otherwise with the win?
Yeah, I'm happy for the league points.
Oh yeah, 3 points, yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy about those 3 points. And the other thing, I'm worried about the goal that they score in the last minute.
Yeah.
Because if they didn't score against us, it will make also an advantage on the league standard.
Yeah, a clean sheet for Ronwen Williams.
Yeah. But otherwise, the goalkeeper was good. Football is a football.
Which goalkeeper?
Rowan Williams. He was good.
Yeah.
But football is football. Everyone wants to win.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much, my brother. All the best going forward.
Thank you, Nobo.